can't remember how she put it, but she said, I think she just said, "Are you the snake guy?" I was like, "Yeah, what's up?" She goes, "I have a snake. I don't know what it is. Can you come get it?"
Okay, so hi, Jürgen.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Ashley.
Hi, I'm Jürgen.
It's nice to meet you.
You too.
Where are you from?
Germany.
Originally?
Yep, born in Germany. My dad was Army.
Okay. So you are from a military family. You're a military brat. Tell me about the different places you lived.
I have lived everywhere.
Yeah, from Germany to where?
Okay. So Germany to California, back to Germany, to Kansas, back to Germany, to New York, to Colorado, to Italy, to Greece, to Virginia, to Japan, and back to Virginia. And then back to Colorado.
And you were in the military?
Yep, 22 years.
Which branch?
Navy.
Why the Navy?
So actually, I joined Navy because I wanted to be a Seabee. So during one of the hurricanes out in Florida, my dad was still out in the Army. He was a mechanic. He went down to Florida and came back home and told me all about these Seabees, how awesome they were. And so I said, you know what, I want to be a Seabee. And I did. So Seabee is basically just the construction force of the Navy Marine Corps. We're the land based, we build everything, we fix everything. I won't say just Navy Marine Corps. My last deployment was we were working with the Army, or actually for the Army. I mean, the deployments range anywhere from South America for a few months to a year in Africa or a year in Iraq or a year in Kuwait, a couple months in Antarctica, I mean, just different ones, Romania. Being able to do, 22 years, not a lot of people can do that. A lot of the places I went to, a lot of the combat awards I got, stuff like that. It was just...
What are the combat awards that you got?
I have the Army Combat Action Badge and the Navy Combat Action Ribbon.
And what do those mean to you?
They mean a lot to me, what we had to go through for it.
Yeah. So you would stay in if you could?
I would if I could, yeah.
It's too bad they kick you
but I
out
can't.
there.
Yeah. That's why I'm here.
Welcome to the Bonneville Shop.
So I'm not bored at home.
Yeah.
I get to talk to people, so it's fun.
About motorcycles?
Yeah, about motorcycles. A lot of stuff. People call me all the time. One guy, Tom, he always calls. He's the old Army guy. But he always calls and asks for me because, he knows my military history. So.
Tell me about the first motorcycle you ever had.
My first bike was a 2007 Sportster. Bought brand new.
Brand new?
Yep.
And how long did you have it for?
A year.
What happened?
I traded it for a bigger bike.
And when you traded it for a bigger one, what did you trade it for?
It was a 98 Wide Glide.
Okay.
What did I have after that? I had a rigid chopper, 120 cubic inch Evo. That was fun. That was fast. Then I had a Yamaha Cafe Racer. Had a handful of iron heads, shovel head, pan head. My Triumph, and another Harley, another Evo back in the garage.
Yeah.
And a Buell that I gave Brian, and a Kawasaki I gave my other son.
Do you ride any motorcycles because you like to go fast?
Nope.
Why do you ride motorcycles?
Just to enjoy the ride.
Yeah.
You can't enjoy yourself if you're going too fast.
The open air.
Yeah. 65, maybe 70. 70 is pushing it. You get too much wind. You can't really enjoy it. You're holding on. Bug hits you, it hurts. I like to cruise. I like to take my time and get somewhere and enjoy the ride.
Yeah. Have you gone on any rides recently that you really enjoyed?
A couple weeks ago, we went on a mountain ride. It was a suicide awareness run. I think it was about 100 of us, maybe 200. I don't know. A 2-hour ride. I like the Evos. I think they're good engines. They're, I wouldn't say maintenance free, but damn near maintenance free. They last forever. You can get 300,000 miles out of an Evo engine. Triumphs, on the other hand, they run good for a week, and the next week they don't. And then you just wait, just let it sit and wait, and let it calm down, and then it'll start it up again. Bikes are pretty simple.
Yeah.
Yeah,
okay.
they are. They really are. I mean, you bolt everything in. The hardest part really is going to be the electrical, but you get a nice harness and you're fine.
Yeah.
It was a bare, simple bike. Had a headlight, tail light, no turn signals, no horn, disc brake front and rear, belt drive.
What got you into hot rod?
My dad.
Yeah.
So he's always been a Chevelle guy. So growing up, we've always had a Chevelle in the house, everywhere we went.
Is there when you think about your childhood and Chevelle, like what Chevelle is it that sticks out to
The 66 he had in New York was the first Chevelle I was able to drive, and so that became my dream car. And I've had 3 of them already.
What do you do on your free time when you're not working?
I used to work on bikes, but my bike's not broken anymore, so catch snakes for fun. Everywhere I go, I try to find something. You know,
Really?
Africa, I caught cobras. Here in Colorado, I catch rattlesnakes.
Okay.
And bull snakes mainly, that's all you get around here.
Do you have them as pets?
No, not allowed.
Is it? Because why can't you have snakes?
Wife don't like them.
Okay.
I actually catch them in my neighborhood for all the neighbors, so they'll kill them. Then I go let them go.
You're the snake. Are you the snake
I am
guy?
the actual legitimate neighborhood snake.
What's the biggest snake you've ever caught?
A black rat snake in Kansas. It was pretty close to 7, maybe 8 feet. Probably about that fat around.
What were the circumstances that you caught it?
We were out looking for snakes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tell me about the catch some snakes in Africa.
That's just pretty much, if you see one, I just go catch it, if I can.
Okay.
So the cobra was a baby, so it wasn't too fast.
Okay.
Most everything else there was pretty fast. The mambas were too fast to catch. They jump up like 6 feet in the air and just take off. Yeah.
If you could describe yourself in 3 words, how would you describe yourself?
Yeah, we're not putting that on the air, are we?
I can bleep it out.
I'll be nice on this one. I guess the nice way of putting it is my field's empty. I have no more to give. There you go.